All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Nissan Altima. It is the SV model, this beautiful brown with black interior. It's called the Java brown with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, 24,000 miles on this beauty. Best of all, no damage. Let's go real quick, your front bumper. Just have a heavy scuffing here from here to down here. As you can see, it's coming around. I'll call it 10 or more right there. The rest of it looks pretty good. Your hood looks good. Your fender does have a dent here. Some paint off, looking about 6 inches from here to here. Here to here. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing. Let's see, that's 3, that's 6, about 6 to 7 inches right there. Let's check out your tire thread. Shooing. Tire thread is under 7/32, above 4. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing right here. Let's see, this 3, that's 6, about 6 to 7 inches as well. And your tire thread is over 7/32 back there. So it's your nice shot of your roof. No things, dents, anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Is your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Push start system. Does come with the 1 key fob combo and owner's manual. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right here. Backup camera, power, AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. As you can see, it needs some gas. And does have an airbag light on and traction control light on. And there's your mileage of 24,542. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. It's keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper. Looks good. Quarter here looks good. Deck lid looks good. Rear trunk space looks pretty nice. Here is your spare tire with some tools, and then I tucked away your owner's manuals back there. And this is your rear passenger fender. That's some curbing from here to here. Let's see, it's 3, 6, look about 9 inches, 9 to 10 inches right there. Tire thread back here is over 7/32. This door looks good. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips, sorry. And I was talking about your door. Fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks decent. Tire thread under 7/32, above 4. There's scuffing. Yeah, it's got some curbing here, as you can see. 10 or more. Pretty much completes the tour. Fog lights are working. All lights are on. Things are running. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the 2017 Nissan Altima SV model with 24,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.